full swinging 97 miles an hour. Beautiful delivery. Well, that's his loosening, 97 miles an hour.
He's dangerous if he swings it. He really becomes twice the bowler if he swings it. Just got to face a couple of deliveries, get used to him.
Two beauties, last two. Full and swinging. 100 miles an hour. Fifth delivery, first over, clocked in 100.1 miles per hour.
We don't get that a lot. Look at that, 97, 97, 96, 96, 97, and then the big 100. Saw one at Cape Town. Shoaib Akhtar bowled at Nick Knight. Shaun Tait logs up 100 mile an hour.
Excellent over, thrilling over, 3 without loss.
That was better.
It's worked into the leg side. 10 without loss, England. Up and over the top, down to third man. It only needs a touch at that pace, 96 miles an hour. Only needs any sort of contact. It'll run away for 4.
Wasn't far away from going for 6, that from Strauss. Shows the pace on the ball.
Oh, bowled in beauty. Pitch it up, swing it back in, bullseye.
Keeps his strike bowler on for the extra over. He realises he's a real threat. He realises it's swinging. Absolute beauty. How many coaches, how many times have we told you, top of off, where does it hit? Boom, top of off, gone. Superb bowling.
He's up to speed again, Tait. This is thrilling fast bowling. Really is. Tim Payne. And he's yards further back than yards, flying through.
Too quick for everyone. Movement back into the left-hander. Does Yardy, does Payne. This is a joy to watch as long as you haven't got a bat in your hand. Fast bowling has gone out of the game. The amount of cricket, there's not enough fast bowling while this man's here. Look at those speeds.
Oh, done him again. Full swinging 97 miles an hour. Beautiful delivery.
Don't send an all-rounder in to do a batsman's job. High 90s, 100 mile an hour bowler. Batsman needs to be out there. Too good for Yardy. Ball swinging back in. It would have hit leg stump, I think, in the end. Flicks his pad, goes on to middle and off. It was always coming. Too fast, too good for Yardy.
Wonderful bowling, 2 for 12 from Shaun Tait. They get 3 here. No mid-on, it's 3 slips in position. Collingwood starts with 3, 5 overs have gone. 22 for 2. Gets it through this time, counter-attack Collingwood.
Keep an eye on his speed. His speed's down to 93. It's still quick.
Oh, what a shot. 6, Collingwood.
And this is why he should have come in at 3, really, before the crisis. He's a proper batsman. Dragged down 96 miles an hour. And that's a superb shot. Really is. Nailed for 6.
Not as quick in this over as he was with his initial overs, Shaun Tait.
Well, he's gone for the hook. He's top-edged it, and it's gone all the way. Wasn't quite out the middle of the bat. Unless he got enough of it, and away it sails. Well played, poor Collingwood. 104 for 5. It's a friendly delivery, a slower ball, full toss. Not got quite right, but the batting was spot on. Put away.
With the Stumps. Oh, this is gone, I'm sure. Brilliant piece of fielding given him. No third umpire, Ricky Ponting. 35-year-old Ricky Ponting. Special. Hey, back into the attack, Collingwood. Cleaned up. 95. England in all sorts of bother now. 8 down.
Yeah, disastrous over for England. They've lost 2 wickets now, and the set batsman as well. Collingwood coming down the pitch, always dangerous to a fast bowler like Shaun Tait. Yeah, he just played all round it. Maybe a little bit of swing in again to the right-hander.